Welcome back to Trivia Titanz HQ. Are you ready to tackle some of the toughest decisions of your life? Then let's dive into Would You Rather, hardest choices ever. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun and exciting games like this. Let's get started. Would you rather be teleported 1,000 years into the past or 1,000 years into the future? Imagine the history you could rewrite or the technology you could discover. Would you rather lose access to the internet forever or lose a limb? Could you survive without your online life? Would you rather eat only savory foods or eat only sweet foods? Think about never having your favorite dessert or that perfect salty snack again. Would you rather live with scary clowns or live with zombies? One's creepy, the other's deadly. Choose wisely. Would you rather have no one at your wedding or no one at your funeral? What matters more, the moment or the memory? Would you rather never brush your teeth again or never wash your hair again? Could you handle the stairs or the smell? Would you rather be dropped in the desert or be dropped in the ocean? Survival skills or swimming skills? What's your strength? Would you rather be covered by snakes or be covered by spiders? Can you face your deepest fear? Would you rather be the last human on Earth or the first human on a new planet? Lonely or legendary? What would you choose? Would you rather be blind or be deaf? Which sense could you never live without? Would you rather be burned alive or be eaten alive? Both are terrifying. How brave are you? Would you rather live in a world without color or live in a world without sound? A quiet world or a gray world? What's worse? Would you rather go to space or go to the bottom of the ocean? Explore the unknown above or the depths below? Would you rather eat a sheep's eye or eat earthworms? Which one do you think would taste worse? Would you rather solve world hunger or solve global warming? Save lives or save the planet? What's your priority? Would you rather be rich and ugly or poor and gorgeous? Beauty or wealth, which matters more? Would you rather walk on glowing coals or walk on sharp nails? Painful, but at least it's temporary, right? Would you rather never sleep or never eat? Which basic need could you live without? Would you rather speak all languages or play all musical instruments? Global conversations or global concerts? Would you rather fly or breathe underwater? Superpowers, what's your ultimate dream? Would you rather live inside only or live outside only? Comfort or freedom, what's your choice? Would you rather live without the internet or live without electricity? No power or no connection, which could you survive? Would you rather be a superhero or be a villain? Save the day or rule the world? Would you rather lose your phone or lose your keys? Your convenience or your access, which hurts more? Would you rather eat dog food or eat cat food? Think of the taste and texture. Gross either way. Would you rather always smell bad or always have bad breath? Can you handle people avoiding you all the time? Would you rather be in an airplane with turbulence or be on a boat in a storm? Skies or seas? Where would you feel safer? Would you rather time travel or read minds? Control history or understand everyone's thoughts? Would you rather eat at a fancy restaurant or McDonald's? Gourmet or guilty pleasure? What's your mood? Would you rather live in the desert or live in the Arctic? Heat or cold, which extreme can you handle? Would you rather have a photographic memory or be incredibly creative, perfect recall or limitless imagination? Would you rather live in a treehouse in the jungle or a cabin in the mountains? Adventure or tranquility? What's your ideal escape? Would you rather be a famous actor or a famous musician? The screen or the stage? Which calls to you? Would you rather win $1 million or travel the world? Money or memories? What's more valuable? Would you rather never age or live twice as long? Eternal youth or an extended life? Would you rather sacrifice a loved one for the world or sacrifice the world for a loved one? Heartbreaking, but what's more important to you? Would you rather have a personal chef or a personal driver? Convenience in the kitchen or on the road? Would you rather marry a stranger or marry an ex? Take a risk or revisit the past? Would you rather lose all your teeth or lose all your hair? Which is easier to live with or fix? Would you rather know when you'll die or know how you'll die? Time or cause? What's scarier? Would you rather go cliff jumping or go bungee jumping? Which adrenaline rush is worth the risk? Would you rather be stuck with spiders or be stuck with snakes? Which creepy crawly is your worst nightmare? Would you rather spend 5 years in jail or 5 years in a coma? Lose time awake or lose time entirely? Would you rather find true love or win the lottery? Emotion or money? What's worth more? Would you rather own a fancy car or own a private jet? Luxury on land or in the air? Would you rather give up pizza or give up chocolate? Which guilty pleasure could you sacrifice? Would you rather have bad breath or dirty nails? Which is less embarrassing? Would you rather read Lord of the Rings or read Harry Potter? Epic battles or magical adventures? Would you rather save yourself or save your loved one? Would you be selfless or selfish? Would you rather be buried alive or spend a night in a haunted hotel? Which horror could you endure? Would you rather lose your sense of taste or be colorblind? What's more important, flavors or sights? Would you rather be dropped in a shark tank or be dropped in a lion's cage? Both are terrifying. Where's your survival instinct stronger? Would you rather live without social media or live without a smartphone? Could you stay connected or stay organized? Would you rather break a leg or be stung by 20 bees? Pain or panic? What's easier to handle? Would you rather never sleep again or never eat again? Could you live without rest or without meals? Would you rather walk barefoot on hot sand or walk barefoot in snow? Which discomfort could you endure? Would you rather be a Formula One driver or be a football player? Speed or strategy? What's your dream career? Would you rather be stuck in traffic or wait in a long line? What's less frustrating, sitting or standing? Would you rather be alone on an island or be alone in the mountains? Isolation in the tropics or in the cold? What's more bearable? Would you rather work as a fashion designer or work as an architect? Creativity with clothing or with buildings? What's your passion? Would you rather be a world-class surfer or be a world-class snowboarder? Ride the waves or ride the slopes? Would you rather spend 5 years in a coma or spend 2 years in prison? Lose time unconscious or behind bars? Would you rather be a millionaire or end world hunger? Choose between personal wealth or a global impact. Would you rather drive a BMW or drive a Mercedes-Benz? Which luxury brand suits your style? Would you rather wear shoes that are too big or wear shoes that are too small? Comfort or fit? Which matters more? Would you rather live in the countryside or live in a futuristic city? Peaceful simplicity or cutting-edge convenience? Would you rather have a dog that can talk or have a cat that can talk? Which pet would make for better conversations? Would you rather travel to space or travel to the deep sea? Explore the stars or the depths? What fascinates you more? Would you rather sacrifice yourself or sacrifice others? Would you be the hero or the survivor? Would you rather lose all your memories or lose the person you love most? Your past or your relationship, which is harder to lose? Would you rather travel in time or teleport anywhere instantly? Control history or erase distances? Would you rather travel in time or teleport anywhere instantly? Control history or erase distances? Would you rather be stung by a jellyfish or be bitten by a snake? What's more terrifying, the sting or the bite? Would you rather live without shoes or live without a jacket? Could you handle barefoot winters or jacketless nights? Would you rather own a fancy car or own a fancy house? Would you invest in transportation or property? Would you rather be a child forever or be 90 years old forever? Stay youthful or live with wisdom? Would you rather eat a raw onion or drink a raw egg? Both are unpleasant. What could you stomach? Would you rather have no friends or have no family? Which connection would you choose to lose? Would you rather win $1 million instantly or earn $10 million over 10 years? Patience or instant gratification, which pays better? Would you rather live on Mars or live on the moon? The red planet or Earth's neighbor? Where would you call home? Thank you for watching Trivia Titans HQ. We hope you had an amazing time with us today. Share your answers in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. Have a fantastic day, and we'll see you next time.